the world has changed. As you saw the lower grades, there a big changes happen in habits. Our second graders across the country have never had a full year of real school. They never learned the appropriate habits. So how do we reset all of these different pieces? Our high school students that are seniors, the last time they had a real school year was the 9th grade. How are we going to work with the 10th, the 11th graders that didn't even really have a middle school experience, and understand that when you move from elementary school, when you're absent one day, it's not as hard to make up as when you miss a middle or high school day where you have 5, 6, 7 classes that you have to go and make up. And those teachers can't slow down because you're behind. But for us, probably the biggest concern, both financially and academically, is third graders next year. How many of them are going to be at grade level? How many of them are going to be reading? Are we going to have to start putting in more additional MTSS Tier 2 and Tier 3 interventions? Are we going to have retentions? Are we going to have more referrals to special ed, already taxing a system that is poorly funded across the nation? So all of these pieces become real critical questions as we look forward to what's next for us. And so it really comes down to, we need to reset where we are. The last 2 years have changed fundamentally. I remember I started this school year as the associate superintendent in the Bay Area in California. And in September, we were on national news talking about the fact that we opened school with 50 teachers not there. We were telling every one of our students, if you have even a symptom of a sniffle, go home. We, in a sense, completely devalued attendance as an important piece in the name of safety. So those students that are new to our systems, that's the habit they know. They don't know anything else as reality.